Okay, let's unpack this. I mean, imagine paying basically the price of a sandwich to get like 6,000 fresh email leads handed to you every single day.
Right, which sounds like a fast track straight to the spam folder, honestly.
It really does. So, welcome to today's deep dive, where we are looking into a program called the 5,000 Leads Club.
Yeah, we've got their official sales page and, more importantly, a really hands-on review from a marketer who actually uses this raw data.
Exactly, to uncover the specific, unglamorous formula that turns those leads into a compliant daily income routine.
Mm.
Because the raw numbers they advertise are just, well, they're staggering.
Oh, yeah, I mean, 5,000 primary leads a day, plus 1,000 bonus leads,
Yeah.
and they threw in like 30,000 backlinks.
Which is a clever secondary play, you
Yeah.
know, building domain authority in the background so you aren't entirely dependent on outbound emails.
Right. It drives organic traffic while you work the list.
But the main event is that daily list. The catch for you, the listener, is that these leads are only email addresses.
Yeah, no names, no demographic data, nothing.
It's like being handed a giant megaphone and a phone book containing literally nothing but numbers. You have a massive audience, but absolutely zero context.
And if you just start shouting blind into that megaphone, that carries massive penalties.
Oh, for sure. You can't just load 6,000 cold emails into an autoresponder and blast away.
No, you'll hit honeypots and spam traps, which permanently tanks your sender reputation.
We all know that. So what's fascinating here is what the user review highlights as the vital first step.
Right, the scrubbing process.
Yeah.
Before a single message goes out, they upload the raw data to a specialized cleaning service.
Okay, wait, let me push back on that for a second.
Sure, go ahead.
Why would you pay for 6,000 leads every day just to turn around and immediately delete a huge chunk of them? I mean, isn't that totally counterintuitive?
I get that. It feels like throwing money away,
Yeah.
but it's pure defensive strategy.
Just to protect deliverability.
Exactly. The cleaning service strips out broken emails, duplicates, and people who don't want to be contacted. Most marketers skip this boring step.
Which is exactly how they run into deliverability trouble so fast.
Right. Sacrificing the dead weight is the only way to protect your ability to actually reach active inboxes.
Okay, so the list is safely scrubbed. You've got verified addresses. But here's where it gets really interesting. You still can't just blast them with affiliate links.
No, definitely not. And this user totally bypasses complex funnels or heavy-duty software to do it.
Which is wild. They run this entire operation using just standard Gmail and a basic third-party add-on tool.
And the mechanism behind that add-on is brilliant because it's so simple.
Because it drips the emails out over time, right?
Yeah. Instead of blasting thousands at once, which flags Gmail's spam algorithms immediately, the tool sends them one by one.
So it mimics natural human behavior.
Exactly. To the servers, it just looks like you're sitting at your desk manually typing out individual messages.
And the message itself is, well, it's practically anti-marketing.
It really is. Step one is just a plain text check-in.
No flashy HTML, no pressure, not even a single hyperlink. Just a simple question like, are you still interested in online marketing opportunities?
Yep. And they only send the second email, the one containing the actual offer and the links, if the person replies to that initial check-in.
Wow. If we connect this to the bigger picture, it transforms a really risky cold outreach campaign into a sustainable routine.
Exactly. Because you're filtering for intent before you ever make a pitch.
You get daily activity, actual human responses, and zero spam complaints.
Because the people receiving the links literally asked for them.
So what does this all mean? It shows that effective systems often rely on steady, simple habits rather than flashy tech.
Yeah, we get so caught up in automated magic buttons. But this proves that cleaning your data and asking permission first can completely outpace brute force.
It totally does. And this raises an important question, especially in a landscape obsessed with complex algorithms and hyper-personalization.
Oh, I see.
It makes you wonder, could the ultimate competitive advantage right now simply be sending a plain text question and waiting patiently for a human to reply?